Hello everyone, I'm the project manager for Activate, an Erasmus Plus initiative co-funded by the European Union. Over the course of this project, we've produced and shared with you 11 news videos and 6 testimonials, as well as organising interactive workshops, launching a community forum and developing resources for autistic youth. Today, we're presenting our final video update. It's been a fantastic journey so far, having worked on Activate for over 2 years, and the impact is only getting started now that the foundation has been laid.
Activate has achieved a great deal so far. We started with extensive research, followed by interviews and questionnaires across Europe completed by autistic young people. We used that data to shape our curriculum, which went through several rounds of review and improvement. Eventually, it was piloted through the Autistic Advocacy Academy.
Alongside trainers like myself from the CRPD, I delivered the healthcare unit. While in Belgium, our partners at KUL delivered the education unit, focusing on inclusive learning approaches. And in Portugal, Impact and APFA led the Foundations of Advocacy and Digital Advocacy unit, creating toolkits for online activism. DDI in Malta led the Legal Rights unit, collaborating with local organisations and ministries about legal protections and rights.
Blaine and I delivered the employment unit, focusing on supporting autistic people entering the workforce and improving inclusion in professional settings. Thanks to the insights gained from our pilot sessions and our community, we've refined our resources and are now preparing to publish them.
We've also hosted 2 successful online autism acceptance campaigns in 2025 and 2026. And on top of that, we've led workshops, engaged with stakeholders, and participated in international conferences to promote autism advocacy. To stay informed about our progress, join the Activate Community of Practice page on Facebook, where you can contribute and help ensure the project thrives. Thank you for helping us create a better future for autistic people. And
we look forward to keeping you updated with the progress of Activate.